I give everybody that I sell a trailer to one of these really nice canvas bags. They come in handy. Hi you guys, hey, thanks for taking a look at my video today on the Northwood Nash. Did you know that Nash came to Herb Mill, Ron Nash came to Herb Mill and asked him if he built a trailer for the Northwest, would Herb sell it? And we've been doing business with them ever since. They build a beautiful, beautiful product. From the frame on up, every single part of it is made right here in our great state of Oregon. This is a 22 model. It's a 22H. It's a great layout. You've got a tandem axle, you've got lots of clearance, a sealed underbelly, a barrel roof, and we don't fiddle around, so it's got two nice large LP tanks and an electric tongue jack and all kinds of goodies. But the proof is in the pudding, and that's what's behind the door. Thank you so much again for spending some time with me. I want to show you how roomy this thing is. It's got a barrel roof. We got a fantastic fan in the lid of it. Lots and lots of room, head space. I'm not very tall, but normal people are. It's only a 22-foot trailer, and a lot of times there's a couple things that you don't get. But you do here. You're going to get a really nice couch that you can sit down and relax on. You're going to get a lovely bed. Plenty of garment space. They've got charging stations and the whole Marianne. And you notice that there's all kinds of storage above the bed and around it. All the way down the side of the trailer, you're having a place to put all of your dishes and other things. Beautiful countertop, dedicated dinette, so you can sit down and have a meal and not have to set something up and break it down. Fortunately, we are with a company that orders everything on these. So you have a solar system on it. It's generator ready. It's got everything that you can imagine for the Northwest. It's meant to go into the desert in the middle of the summer or go up to the mountains in the middle of winter. You'll never be cold, you'll never freeze up. It'll perform, and hold their value. The Nash is built over in La Grande. They have been building fantastic RVs for years and years and years. They use excellent components, like we have a Norcold refrigerator. We've got a 24-inch oven, big, beautiful bathroom, and lots of storage. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. You don't know what it means to me. I love it when people call me on my videos and ask me a few questions or teach me a few things. So my number is 541-521-4232. I'm Barbara D. at Guaranty. I work in trailers and vans, and I'm here to help you.